Imagine asking two top-tier AIs in 2026 to build a complete 3D Super Mario game using Three.js from just one detailed prompt. No hand-holding, no fixing their code, just raw output, run it, and screen record the chaos. Today, we're doing exactly that. Gemini Pro versus Claude Opus 4.5, head-to-head. One of them actually made something playable. The other one, let's just say Mario is crying in low-poly hell. If you're new here, welcome to VibeGig, where we threw the latest frontier AI models into real coding battles. No cherry-picking, no edits to make anyone look better. In this, our very first video, I picked a nostalgic game, Super Mario, to develop. And this channel is all about that vibe coding energy. That's why we're building VibeGigs.com, the social network for vibe coders. It's the spot where developers, makers, indie hackers, and AI builders share progress, drop wins and epic fails, build in public, find gigs, connect on side projects, and ship faster together. Right now, it's in its early phases, super raw, but live at https://vibegigs.com. So if you're into building in public, experimenting with frontier models like we do here, jump in, create a profile, post your own AI battles or prototypes. It's free to start, and the community is just getting started. Let's grow the vibe together. Big thanks to everyone hitting that like and subscribe button early. You already know it helps the channel and the network a ton. All right, setup time. I gave both models almost the exact same mega prompt. We want full Three.js scene, Mario character, placeholder or GLTF, platforms, question blocks, Goombas, jumping physics, gravity, coins, power-ups, basic level like 1-1, keyboard controls, even sound placeholders. The whole thing should run in the browser, one HTML file if possible. Here's the key line I used. I ran it once each, no follow-up prompts, no fix this error jailbreak, pure first-shot performance. Same machine, same Three.js version via CDN. Let's see what they gave us. First, Gemini Pro. Okay, we actually get Mario. Super basic low-poly capsule plus hat line, but he runs, jumps, camera track smooth, question blocks, there, hit, coin particle pops, Goombas patrol one way, hit wall and freeze forever, stomp gives squish placeholder sound, physics, surprisingly solid, gravity, momentum, even accidental double jump feel, level scrolls, no crashes at all on my rig, downsides, no Koopas ever spawn, animations bare minimum, some edge collision glitches, pipes are just set dressing, zero power-ups appear from blocks, and it's basically 2D, not 3D depth. Still, playable, fun for 2 to 3 minutes. Gemini nailed the get something running fast assignment, but skimped on features and polish. Now, Claude Opus 4.5. Start strong, clean scene, lighting, even attempted a real Mario GLTF load. Pink blobs, but effort shown. Mario spawns. Half his body sinks into the ground. Still runs and jumps though. Move around, hit jump, suddenly stuck, floating in void. Browser console throws a clear error. At this point, I fed the exact error back. One-line fix, super simple, but yeah, that makes it two-step prompting. After the fix, night and day. Platforms render and collision feels good, blocks have nice subtle animation bounce, Goombas and Koopas spawn properly, Koopas act almost classic, shell kick potential, enemies have fun vibrate idle anims, power-ups actually appear in function, mushroom grow, fire flower shots, handled cleanly. Graphics and gameplay vibe way closer to real Mario nostalgia. Classic Claude over-engineer structure, but this time it paid off big once the bug died. Quick ranking. Visuals, polish, Opus 4.5 clear win. Better models, animations, effects. Physics and playability, Gemini edges it slightly, more consistent out of box, no sinking body glitch. Code quality and structure, both clean. Gemini went classes and OOP, Opus leaned functions and modular. Feature completion? Opus way ahead. Koopas, real power-ups, better enemy behavior. Crash stability? Gemini 100% stable one shot. Opus crashed until fixed. Winner? After the one fix, Claude Opus 4.5 takes it. More features, more nostalgia, better overall game feel. But for pure one-shot creative Three.js game dev, Gemini's simpler, bug-free path still wins reliability. This shows how wild 2026 already is. A year ago, both would spit unplayable slop. Now one gives semi-playable Mario first try, the other needs one nudge but then delivers depth. Prototyping quick demos or web experiments, Gemini's your fast, stable bet right now. Want richer detail, better feature coverage, closer to real gameplay? Claude Opus 4.5 still has that edge, especially if you're okay with one quick follow-up. Hybrid is probably the 2026 meta anyway. Which one surprised you more? Who wins next? Grok 4, GPT-5 something, or Llama 405B? Feeling the vibe? Head to VibeGigs.com, post your take on this battle, share your own Three.js/AI experiments, connect with builders doing the same. Comment down below your take. Like if you want more raw AI coding wars. Subscribe plus bell. Experiments drop every 1 to 2 weeks. Thanks for watching VibeGig fam. Stay vibing, stay coding. Peace.